Achikolo bibu pasego. Achikolo kubu pasego. Achikolo bia banyo. Achikolo kubu pego. Achikolo bibu pasego. Achikolo bibu pasego. Achikolo obioma banegu. Achikolo Achikolo obioma banegu. Achikolo neka 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 banegu. Achikolo 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 neka shake me there. Achikolo neka banegu. 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 Achikolo. Achikolo. What is this? Achikolo. What is it? Come here to interrupt us. What is this? You confront him. Achikolo. Okay now. Am I not a human being? No. Tell me. Am I not a human being? And fact, this dance is for us. Leave it vertical. There's no guy. Leave us alone. There's no guy. The only thing, listen, waiting. The only thing that will make me to leave this dance for you all is when you allow me to dance. For what? No, you won't dance. You cannot dance. You will happen. My friend, you will leave. You will leave. Get out. Somebody hold me. Somebody hold me. Community. I'm doing this vertical. I'm doing this. I'm open. Hey. This is your problem. Wait.
Mama, leave me alone.
You think I will not catch you? I will kill you today. Oh, you think I will not run? Where? Achike, what is it? What is the problem? I saw behind. Oh, you are hiding behind me. I will kill if you don't come out. Chubolu.
What is it again today? Please now, forgive him.
Thunder will fire that to your mouth that you used to call me, Mama. This your stupid mouth you are using to call me, Mama, it will scatter today. Useless thing. Call that vegetable behind you to come out. Tell that money won't look up. Tell him to come out.
Mama, very big on there, please. Even if you want him to come out, he can't come out with this cutlass.
If you bring on his behalf, I will scatter everything in this shop.
Mama, big on.
If you talk to me again, I will scatter everything in this your useless shop. This nonsense shop that worth nothing. I will scatter everything. Come out. Come, we'll run out the whole village.
Please now, please. Just drop the machete.
Come on. Shimo! You have set him free.
No,
I'm coming back. I will destroy everything in this shop. You know what? Where are you at? Come on now. You go back here. I have to go after them. Hey! Okay, you are jumping. If you like, run to Kafanchan, run to Bausa, I will get you. And I will do the same thing I want to. I will drink your blood, that chicken. What there?
Villa thing is on point.
Hey, excuse me. Hello, stop now. Do you know who is greeting you? I am Honorable Barrister, Prince, Doctor, Evangelist, Bishop, Archbishop, Prophet, Sunday Emelemunjo, aka Ayaka, one of this land.
Excuse me. Are you insane?
Sin?
How dare you block my way?
No, yeah, I was a sinner before. But now, I am no longer a sinner. Yes, old things has passed away. Behold, old becomes new. Do you know how many girls that are after me in this village? But I refuse them from coming close to me. Why? Because I love people like you. When I saw you, you look like a Manu Akara. In fact, bulb, electric bulb. It's a ba, no ba, a bawa. Manau, anya toto. If you enter my room now, everywhere, Nepa, up Nepa. In fact, I like people like you. Yes, you remind me of our village masquerade. Ubanguzuru, Okumo, and Udeporeweze.
What? This is an insult to me.
Insult? I'm sorry. I will give you 10,000 for the insult.
You? Give me 10,000.
I will give you 10,000.
That's crazy. You are mad. You must be insane.
If you beat me now, you beat out 10,000. I'm telling you, all my body is full of 10,000.
Really?
10,000.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Oh, yeah. My name is Julie.
Julie.
And this is what I like. When someone insults me, he apologizes with cash.
You see what I said? I said Ayaka is capable and able. In fact, do one thing for me now.
What?
Do something that will make me explode. Once I explode, 10,000 another potas. Ona bawasina potas 10,000. Boom, boom. From my mouth, from my anus, from everywhere. 10,000, two. You'll be grabbing them.
Just that?
Exactly. Just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. What am I here, Maseregi?
Sister. Wait. Sister. Hey, Onyoshi.
Yeah. What's that on your hand?
Sister, I came to take Maggie.
Take Maggie. Utu, I can't say take any my. Ujungwa, when did you start stealing from me?
Hey, sister, still what? We were only cooking at home and Maggie finished. Mama now sent me to come here and collect Maggie.
Collect Maggie. I hope you dropped money.
By the way, where did you go to?
Ne, Ugunogaiko. I went to save Achike. I went to make sure his stepmother doesn't kill him today. In fact, you know what will even happen? You help me stay here. Let me go back to that place. I don't want anything to happen to him. Oh?
I'm not staying. The other day I told you to give me granite, you refused. I'm not staying.
You must stay. Hey, see what will happen. Go to the house, give this Maggie to Mama and come back to this place.
Sister, I was cooking at home. You give me granite.
Don't worry, Jebe.
You made our mother to run, eh? We'll deal with it.
If I catch the both of you, if I catch you, if I slap Mama Kunaya.
You cannot do anything. Don't leave her.
Mama, leave me alone. Get up. Let's go. I will kill it today. Your blood. That's what I want.
That your superstar. Come on.
Hey!
Hey! What is it? Are you okay?
Yeah. Hey, I'm dying. I'm done, you know. I'm done. You have killed me.
Wow.
You have killed me.
But you asked me to do something that will make you go wow.
What asked you to do wow? Eh? Did I tell you that I needed wow? Wow is for an ambulance. Wow. It's for an ambulance. Now I know your plans. No, I know.
Hey, what kind of a person are you?
And you too. Who are you? Eh? You gave me fire. You have killed me.
Hey, let me tell you.
Hey.
Do you know you are insulting me again and your money will increase?
Which money? Who talked about money? Eh? Who talked about money? I only told you that I will give you 10,000 waka. And this is it.
Hey! You must be insane. So this is why I hugged and kissed you.
Which kiss? You gave me poison. Yeah. You gave me poison. Hey. Hey, what? Mother. Hey. Carry your fire and leave.
Oh, Julie.
Mother.
You have suffered.
Madam.
This man must be insane.
Oh. Carry your father and go. Hey.
This man must be crazy.
Mama!
What kept you?
Take, here's the money. I'm going back to the shop.
To do what?
Mama, Amuche is at it again with that chicken. So sister wants to go and interfere as usual.
Listen, I've told you don't go back to that shop. When she comes back now, she'll complain that you've stolen biscuit from her shop. I don't want such again in this house. And I've told her someone to leave Amuche and her family alone. She wouldn't listen. Now go back to the house.
But Mama, Achike is her friend. Eh? You don't expect her to leave that.
My friend, go back to the house.
Mama, I'm coming, bro. Ujunwa, come back here. Ujunwa!
Papa, come on, untie me. Look at what your wife and her children are doing to me. Papa, I'm only respecting you.
Amuche, this is not fair. Eh? Why are you doing this to this boy? He's a man.
Amadi, how many times did I call you? 2 times. If I add it the 3rd time, you regret it. If you venture to untie this man from here, this stupid boy here, you will get it hot with me. If you think I'm lying, try me. Try me, Amadi.
Papa, you have to respect Mama in this house. You have to respect her. If you dare untie him, you have it hot with us in the house.
Come, let's go inside. Just try it.
See, Papa, let me tell you. Don't untie him. If you try it, this house I'm going to go. Hey, what is going on there?
Amuche.
Father, why are you so weak?
Amuche.
Why are you so weak?
Asangwa, this is a family matter.
Leave me alone now, but you want them to kill me?
Stay away from me. I can
What
handle
family
it.
matter?
I can handle it.
You can handle
Asangwa, what are you doing? What do you think you are doing?
Let's go.
What family matter? I'm so
Asangwa. I can handle my family issue. I can handle it permanently.
Hey, Alpha! Okay, bye-bye. What is it?
Ujubiko, Joram something, let me bring my life back to life. Please, I want to bring myself back to life.
Hey, what happened? Talk to me, what is it?
Uju, Akupa. Electric shock room. I can see stroke inside of me. Hey, please, them what na milk. More than the milk, or you have hurry up. I can see stroke inside of me.
Don't die here.
Please, open it. Uju. Uju, electric. Uju, mba. Wait.
Come with them, come with them.
Wape. Can I to me now?
Ayaka, please don't die here. What will I tell my sister?
Wait, ma.
Hey, Ndo. On a bay.
Uju dalo.
But we mot.
Would I carry wing? Come up.
Ndo. Me poso no gike.
Uju wait.
Me pono. Akwa bay. Ndo.
Uju wait.
Your stepmother is very wicked. She's evil. I don't want her to hurt you.
I don't know why that woman hates me so much. Asa, you know me. If not for my father, I would deal with that woman.
Achike, just leave her. You know what will happen? Let's go to my shop. Or better still, we are not going to my shop. My sister is there for me. Let's go to that place we normally rehearse our music.
Okay, let's go.
Lord, help me come. Save us from hatred.
Amadi.
Amuche, look at what you have been doing. Amuche, you wouldn't know.
You've not seen anything. You disobeyed me already.
How?
Amadi, you disobeyed me and untied him. Without fear.
I did not untie him. I didn't. But even if I did, he's not my son. You shouldn't be treating him that way.
Papa, listen to yourself! Listen to yourself! Even if you are dying, he's not your son. Let me tell you, something. You have to respect Mama. Whatever Mama says, stand! You listen from today, you have to be respecting our mother-in-law's house.
And so, Amadi, today, I will teach you that you are married to the dark grace. So that next time when I tie him, you will not go to tie him. I saw it.
Sorry.
This man is dead. Oh, I don't like this thing. Let me kill him now.
Ayaka, are you okay now? Are you okay now?
I'm coming. Yes. Ayaka. Yeah. Ayaka, welcome back to life. Don't die. Because mortuary will not contain you.
Are you okay now?
Oju.
Stand up.
Oju. Thank you.
Are you okay now?
Yes.
Thank God you're okay. By the way, what happened to you?
Hey! Oju, I'm dying. Oju, come.
Ayaka, what is it?
Oju, please. Calm down. Funyam carbon dioxide. Let me bring out oxygen. Oh yeah. Calm down.
I should do what? I should put my mouth in your mouth.
Would you? Please.
For what?
I will die here. And God will not be happy with you.
What are you trying to do?
No.
You want to kiss me?
No. I was coming back to life. I did not. Would you?
You want to kiss me?
No. Would you take it? I won't kiss. Not kiss. Would you?
Why will you not do your man like photo?
Would you want to understand?
By the way, what happened to you?
It was one girl. This girl, if you even see her color, you will reject her. This girl, because I told her how many girls that are after me, this girl decided to rush me. She rushed me, kissed me. In fact, her kissing was like a nail. She took me, the thing, injected poison, I don't know, inside my body. I was suffering, in fact, epilepsy, abuko, electric. It was like electric. The thing shocked me. That was fine. Her kissing, even her color. In fact, it's like all those afi.
So because a girl tried to kiss you, that's why you came here and lied to me and made me give you my sister's malt and milk.
No. Is it? No, wait. So, malt and milk, is it better than my life? Which is because of the love I have for you.
You either give me that money now or you face my sister's wrath.
What is malt and milk? Would you? I loved you, that is why I'm here.
Lord, help me come, save us from hatred.
How could I be so stupid? Kai.
look down at us, save us from hatred.
Amadi, today, not tomorrow, I will let hell loose on Asawa and her mother. And today, they will know who I am. Moa. And Amadi, if you know what is good for you, better run before I get to their house. And bring that your idiotic son back to this house to come and do all the works he was supposed to do. Otherwise, Amadi, you will do all of them. I will force you into doing all of them. You will do all the works together.
Yes. Well, let me go with you.
No, don't worry. This battle is for me alone. I will do this battle alone. I don't want anybody to touch my children. Go, Abamadi. Careful.
My children, why are you taking sides with your mother against me? Do you not know that female children are supposed to be closer to their father than their mother?
Papa, you don't look at Keba. Because just body eba, don't just try to talk anyhow. Papa, you know me here. Papa, why don't you talk to your stupid son to respect our mother? Because he thinks he's a man, he can be doing anyhow. You better talk to him, You better talk to him to respect our mother. If not, we'll make this house unbearable and uncomfortable for him to stay until he dies. Oh yes, because he thinks he's a man, he can be doing like this. I'm the first son of this house. I'm the man of this house. Nobody can do anything to me. But you better talk to him. Of course, you know we have guys now. We have guys that we can pay to beat him up, and we'll turn his color from yellow to blue if that's what you want. Bam! Or to accord.
As I am, I'm not in the mood. I am not in the right frame of mind.
Achike, don't allow this wicked woman and her stupid daughters to ruin your career. This woman and her stupid daughters are nothing but distraction. Don't allow them to ruin your career. You can't concentrate anymore. You can't rehearse. You can't do anything. Ignore them. Achike, if you've not heard this from anybody before, let me say it to you. You're very handsome. You're hardworking. You're talented. With this your music now, I strongly believe that someday you will blow.
But I tell you something, once I make it in this music, I will make sure she suffers so much. Can you imagine my stupid sister? Somebody I'm even reasoning to use for my video. She's mixing up.
You want to use that for your video? Well, that's by the way, it's alright. Just forget them. Ignore them. I'm sure that all these things they are doing to you, a day will come when they will all sit and regret it. You will come. Oh, please be happy.
Thank you so much. I've not eaten anything since morning. Do you have food at home?
Yes, I have. Let's go to the shop so my star can go get it. At least when they come, they will start before us. So that will soon be here.
Oh.
Smile. Achika. Hey. Sister. What are you eating?
Sister. Granite.
I hope that's the only thing you took from my shop. Chimo. Go and use the malt and milk. Who drank this malt and milk?
Sister, do you know that Ayaka came here and deceived me? Sister, he lied to me that he had a problem, he was about to die, that I should save his life. Sister, how could I be here?
What? No, Melvin.
Wait, he came here and deceived you. Hope he gave you money.
Man, put the malt and milk and he him. Oh, in case of tea. Sister, can't put the car in car.
Shut up your mouth! You don't want malt and milk when you do you know how much?
Is this how you pay me back for stealing your shop?
Hey, take these things inside before you break my bottle.
Okay.
Imagine this stupid girl. Come and take this thing in also.
This is how you pay somebody for stealing your shop.
Do fast and go and bring food for me from the house.
As in Kese's girl.
It's okay.
Imagine this stupid girl.
It's okay.
I will have serious problem with Ayaka. I will have a problem with him because Oyanya and I was my hair.
Ayaka is our friend.
No, he's not my friend again. If he continues like this, I'll read my shop. Ha! But you allow what I milk. You could be on this in our Omarugare. One nature of your Buddha paradise.
Lord help me come, save us from hatred. Ajobi.
Mama Ebere, I greet you. Mama Ebere, I greet you. I greet you. I know where you are going to, and I know whom you are looking for. It is Achike. Come, look at him here. See him.
You know where he is?
See him. Have you seen him?
Ewu Gambian. Just look at you. You just resemble monkey. That's what you are. The thunder that will fire your head, they are still buying snuff at the market. Come in next time. I will use your head to make pursue.
Eh?
Oh, you're laughing at me.
No, come and meet me. Come and meet Ewu Gambian. If you like, carry the machete.
Follow me now. Let me cut off your head now. This knife is looking for blood. Achike, you are ganging up against me in this village. Achike, you are ganging up. I'm coming.
In fact, I know what to do. Let me go and cut.
Achike, stop doing this thing to yourself now. Eat food. Eh? Eat food. Any small thing you will refuse to eat. Don't you know that Osa is real? It's okay, Osa. Eat something now, please.
Someone food is not my stuff. I need to leave this village. I need to enter Lagos and make a hit. Huh?
I know.
You can't go my band.
But don't forget our plans. You will make a hit. We are going to surprise the whole world. Hey, I got a little hit. Yes, so it's true.
So it's true.
Mama, what did I do?
Oh, you actually came to my house, and untied this fool.
Mama, I have to untie him. I have to untie him, Mama. Look at the way you tied him up. Do you want him to die? Do you want him to die? I don't want to lose Achike. He's a very good friend of mine. I didn't do that to disrespect you.
Asama, you will kill me today.
Mama,
you will kill me today.
Mama, he has not gotten to that.
If you don't kill me, no one will. If you don't kill me, I will kill you, Asama. Asama, you will kill me today. Mama, you must kill me. You will kill me.
Mama,
Asama, kill me.
You will tear my
kill me today. Kill me. Asama, kill me. Hey! Hey! Asama! Asama has killed me! Hey! Hey!
Asama! I didn't touch her!
She hit my chest! She hit my chest! I'm dying!
Asama!
Why do you beat a woman like this? Come people! Come people! I'm dying! Call them all! What is this? Why is she shouting? This woman will make everybody in this village think that someone is a practice. She's going to kill me later.
I've told you to hold that number. Don't interfere in these people's business. They are family. Leave them alone.
Mama, I did not do anything wrong. The only thing I did was to untie him from where that stupid woman and her wicked children tied him up. That was what I did. Is that how to treat a man? Why are they treating him like that? Achike, Hamaka no a single bone, no, we walk. He's just been keeping quiet because they are all women. If not, Okupu of Fize, Kupu of Fwana, or Chahanaya.
But sister, that woman has embarrassed and disgraced you enough. Are you see what she's doing to you in this village? If we hear that woman, Maggie, you're not about to get it. Oh, it's for you.
I can't move around in this village.
Mama, why won't you move around?
How would I move around with this ups and downs? You know how this village they are. They talk too much.
Which ups and downs? And Mezuoshi? And Mabakuna?
Look, are you getting a chicken?
Who in this village that doesn't know that I and Chicken is my friends for a very long time?
I got what you told. They will not understand it.
I am not willing to explain to anybody. I didn't do anything bad. Hachibwe. Is it because the mother is dead? Is that why they're treating him like that? And to worsen it all, the father is there but he cannot say a word or wrap your name me anyhow. Achike is my friend.
Sister,
Ujuma, you should leave the door and then there to post about that doesn't like peace. Every time she likes making trouble with everybody.
I'm wondering why you're leaving that woman. No, it's super food I know is wicked.
I respect now. Try me born in this super. Amadi, come out here. Come on, stand here. What is wrong? Where do you think you're doing? Come on, stand here.
It's not safe. Now look at him standing out there. It's not safe out
Papa?
there. It's very cool out there. Let my son, let him come in.
Papa, let him remain outside here. He left my house and ran out here. And he came by this night to enter my house. He will sleep outside there until when I'm ready. All the cold that will catch him, let him remain there.
Amunche, please. This is not fair. You
If
have eaten since morning. I have not tasted anything. And the condition he gave me was that if he doesn't come home, I will not eat anything. And now he's back.
Papa, please tell them to open the door for me.
You would allow me in and you won't give me food instead.
Papa, because she has in a basket. Who can you eat?
Who will give him food?
How much did you bring? Did you bring any money? I know.
Tell your wife to open the door for me, Papa.
You want to eat, All of you have eaten.
Leave the stupid man. Look at what he wants to eat food. He
Must
wants
he
to go and open the door.
Must he eat?
Must you eat? Control. Stand attention. Stand well, you're disturbing my sight. Nonsense. Let him stay outside. He will remain outside until when I'm satisfied. Let him be there. He will not enter this house.
I cannot sleep outside here now. Where will I sleep? What is this now?
Lord, help me come, save us from hatred. Ajobi, look down at us, save us from hatred. Ajobi, amuche madu, ifanya munafu, no silike, opana ajobi.
Asa.
This woman, so this woman will not just allow you to rest in your father's house. So she locked you out. She threw you out like that.
She locked me out.
Hey! The most annoying part of it is that your father will be there and he won't do anything. He can't even caution that wicked woman. Eh? What if something bad had happened to you?
The man
hey!
is also handicapped. What's wrong?
Ujuma, come on. You know I was telling you, Mama was telling me to be careful. What happened? The stepmother threw him out of the house.
Jesus, how? Just like that. Brother Chike, I did not break the door.
Uju, what do you expect me to do? I just want peace to reign.
Peace.
Mama should come and hear. Mama should come and hear. Now it's not tomorrow now. She'll be telling me, leave that woman, don't look for her trouble. Nah, actually, Marugo, Bible, Becky, just feel at home. Have you eaten?
Since morning, I've not eaten anything.
Okay, you eat something. Okay, please bring his food there.
Mama, he's no longer there. Actually, he's no longer there.
So he has the guts to leave my house. So that stupid, useless son of yours has the guts to leave my house.
What do you expect him to do? He's not safe out there. I've been begging you to allow him come, you refuse.
Papa, what are you saying? What are you saying? What do you expect him to do? Papa, let me tell you. Your son has to respect Mama in this house. Else, he will have it hot with us. Are you hearing me? Better tell that your stupid son to respect Mama.
Amadi, you will pay dearly for this. There will be no food for you this night unless you go out there and bring back that worthless son of yours. And if I know,
where do you want me to go and start looking for him this night? Why are you doing this to me now?
Papa, where else will he be? If not that village, expired village crayfish place. She must have taken him home. Asanwa, be waiting. What's that? Asanwa. That's where you will be.
Oh, Jimeti joke. That useless son of Amadi, Jimeti. There will be no peace for all of us in this house this night, if you do not go out there and bring that worthless son of yours back.
Yes.
Are you still looking at me, Amanda? Amanda, get up.
Get up.
Oh my God.
Would you thank you very much for the food? You see, in that house, I've suffered enough. I don't know what else to do.
Brother Chike, I'm even pitying you, eh? It's okay, don't worry. I'm sure God will vindicate you soon. Just endure, oh?
Amen. Chike, I know you will make us proud. Very soon now, you will leave this village for them. Can you go? Oh?
Sister, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. Good night. Brother Chike, good night.
Thank you for the food, okay?
Brother Chike, don't think. I hope that's not your troublesome mother, because if she's the one, I'll give her whatever she wants this night. No. Who is that? Who's that? Nanyamadi, what is it? Nanyamadi, what are you doing at this time of the night? Eh? Are we owing you? Why are you hitting the door like that?
Asangwa, why did you allow my son into your house?
Why won't I allow him? Why won't I allow him, Nai? When you can't stop your wife from treating him like a boy? Why won't I allow him?
Asangwa, how many times did I tell you that this is a family matter? Allow me to handle it. I can handle it.
What family matter? What family matter? I'm ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. Please go back to your house.
Are you talking to me? If you talk to me again in that manner, I will tear your mouth apart. It's one gaba. Are you mad? Have you forgotten that I am your father?
Papa, please go back to your house. You can shout at me, right? But if it's that woman and our daughters, you cannot even do anything. You become a vegetable.
Nai, sincerely, what you're doing is not good. You have to act like a man. Stop that woman from treating Achike bad. Stop her.
Asangwa, I have warned you and your mother to stay clear of my family affairs. I can handle it.
I didn't come to your house, Nai. I was on my own here when Achike, my friend, ran to this place for help. You don't expect me to chase him away. I am not as wicked as your wife.
You know what? I don't have the time. I didn't come for you. Achike, let's go. Let's go home.
Leave me!
Nai.
Achike,
leave me. Go home. I am not going with you. I know she has threatened not to give you food this night.
Achike!
Nai, what you're doing is not good. You have to man up. Oh, give Budibuno, make a dibuno, bro, my put on Nanyagi Katrela. When I take him, Onyatago say, Onyajagonica, it's not right. A woman should not be controlling you, Nine. Look at the way you're treating your son. Your only son, Nine. This is not right.
Asangwa.
Lord, help me come. Save us from hatred. Look down at us. Save us from hatred. Ajobi. Amuche madu. Ifanya munafu. No silike. Opana ajobi. Unyeko. Opada malia. Manida openi.
How do you have my food? Come on, go in and get mommy at least 2 to make it 3.
Mama, welcome.
I'm good. No, go Amaka. Sit down.
Wait.
Huh?
Just wait.
Mama.
Come here. Chukuru. Don't tell me you are the one that served your father this food. Don't tell me you are the one that served your father this food, because I will just give you a dirty slap now.
Why?
Amaka, I don't know why. Amadi. Ebele, you gave your father this? Chineke me. It is from Azu.
I'm just give my soup now.
Hey! Mama.
Only 1 minute.
How much did you give me to cook this food? I'm asking you, how much did you give me? Amadi, keep the soup. I've not finished talking. How much did you give me to prepare this soup? That you're eating with all. Look at all the soup she packed for you. Which one will we use to eat our own food? Eh? In a babu. If you like to eat, if you don't like to eat, you leave it like that.
How much I'm not eating this money.
Hey, shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth and eat the food. If you want to eat, eat. If you don't want to eat, you close the soup. I even want to use some part of it at night. Ebele. Ina wamo. Agme me kwa yife. Agme me yife. Mobili chori watam. Obili chori watabel neje. Etie mi yife. Bring your chicken jino dan. Bring mu ni oiso. Ili gulo onwe. Ili wala ono. Osa. Na ya blue li boy so. Abili.
Oh, because don't. Sorry.
Sim tankuma.
Tankuma.
Sim tankuma kanu yofuma.
Tankuma.
Abili ano.
Hi.
Papi fugie. Ifugie bunye gini gelin. Ino ne yonsha no ne di nani. Ifugo ni en. Agwa. I told you.
Iberechuku. What did I do to your mother? What did I do to your mother? Eh? I do the climbing of the palm tree. I do the tapping of the palm wine. I bring it home, my son sells, and bring home the money, and she takes everything to herself. And she still complains that I don't come home with the money.
Papa, goes. Let me go and get your those go. Mother means we can on a bob and so. You can just take me.
Iwe, on my iwe.
Since they don't have practice today, we have to go and come back.
Yes. For me, I will say let's go to that place first. We have to let them know that we are aware of their plans.
No. Let's not go there. That place is Asanwa's shop. If we go there, they will say that we are causing trouble. So let's just wait and see any day they will have rehearsals. Then we will invade them.
But me, I'm still saying this. So we are not the only girls that have been into this dance. Many has left. We don't even have proof that it's our dance that Dikeh want to turn into hip-hop music.
Who told you? If you're not part of this plan, you better leave. I will go. Didn't you hear what I told you that Yaka said?
What did he say?
Very soon they will be in TV and will be here watching them. Yes, now.
Then we must fight to make sure.
We must fight. If you're not part of us, leave us.
Are we not fine girls? My face is not fine girls. My face is not fine on TV, Abi.
You must fight. Are you not fine on your own?
I'm fine.
You must fight. This is fight. We must fight.
We will go there.
You're not part of it. Leave us alone.
Lord, help me come. Save us from hatred. Ajobi. Look down at us. Save us from hatred. Ajobi. Amuche madu. Ifanya munafu. No silike. Okwana Ajobi. Onyewego. Okoda malia. Manida obenye. Ebola nyofia. Apama sinekoro. Ufobi. Ajobi. Okwana Ajobi. Gini kameloge. Ichi achuanimo. Amuche Ajobi. Okwana Ajobi. Heart of wicked, Okwana Ajobi. Obiabo Ajobi. 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 Okwana Ajobi.
Ujunwa na mam dalum shop leader. They've ruined this shop. Where do I get money from now? Had it been I have enough money on me, I would have given some to Dikeh to go and record his tracks. Kevin guys get on people. I really need to help Dikeh.
Hello?
No.
Do you have chocolate?
No.
Okay. Do you have shortbread?
Yes, I do. 15 naira.
Oh no. This is not shortbread. This is ordinary bread. Oh.
This is bread and it's short. Obrondia loaf. See, I have big bread, but I gave you short bread that you requested for.
Babe, this is not shortbread. As big as you are, I don't know what is shortbread. Oh damn. I can't believe that this village is still that timid. Oh, gosh. Oh.
What's it? Hey. Hello, man. So, she's forming in the city for me, Okuya? She's forming in the city because you just came back from city. It's someone down. Damn. No problem. Let me catch you in this my shop again. I'm on a good mood. You guru them.
Mama. So that foolish, idiotic son of your father is not yet back.
Mama, for me, I have not seen him. Where else will he be if not that stupid girl's shop? Asanwa.
I know he will be there. Very soon he will come back with all the palm wine I asked him to sell, telling me that he did not sell them. Then I will kill him with my hands. I will make sure I strangle him.
But Mama, you would have allowed Papa to eat that small meat. That intikra, you would have allowed him to eat it.
Do you know you are very stupid? You are very, very stupid. I have told you and your sister to stop feeling sorry for that stupid, useless man. Your father is stupid. Now go in and get me my food. And while bringing it, put 5 pieces of meat. I need to be strong. I'm training both of you to be as strong as me. So go and get me 5 pieces of meat. Put it in my soup. Now go in.
Mama, what's you going?
And why come and bring seats for me to sit down? I don't know why you remove all the seats here.
5 for potopano.
Then suggest what tell me you can bring me catfish. See, one after cooking, then now you expect me to put for your father. How much did he bring?
Fraying, how are you? Why are you shifting back? Is there a problem? What are you looking at?
Are you crazy? Are you insane?
I'm not gonna do.
Oh, Julie, you have suffered. Even a stupid palm wine seller is stopping me to say hello. Damn! I can't take this anymore.
How dare you call me palm wine seller? Because you saw me carrying palm wine. Eh? If not for one thing, if I give you a slap, can you imagine? What kind of insult is this? You say in this village, you must hear palm. You must. You're not palm wine seller.
What? Shade. Who are you? Man, I'm bragging. Even when you are carrying palm wine, you are here telling me you are somebody. You're just a fool. Damn it! Man! All of you in this village are stupid. I can't stay here anymore. Damn! This is too much for me. I can't take it.
It's an Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this fool I want to use for my video? I will not use it. It's going like a brand. I'm not more of you. Come on, get out!
Like I said before, that you are crazy. You are insane. What kind of music video can you do? What kind of music video can you do?
We don't leave this place. We don't go cooking now.
Damn it!
If right back now, you don't leave this place. Get what guy now? Nala. Over Ndazu. I want to go with I'm companies. I'm for money for my money again. Nonsense.
Girls, this our plan is not good at all. Obioma. Obioma. Don't even make us to suspect in this matter. Don't even try it. Don't even try it, Obioma. Don't even try it. Eh? Look at this girl, oh. So you want us to leave this dance for these people to use it and make money? Hey!
Not so. Then how so? That's in the house so. Because this is Chokai Wemeya. We must go to that place and dance with them.
Yes. We must go there. We must go there and dance. Yes. We must go there and join them in the houses.
That's in Ayaga.
That was skipping neck.
I'm not coming.
Maybe she's busy at home. Girls, he called Gwa drop on me. I know before. My
friend, go sit down.
He called Gwa digging. Let's leave them. You must fight. We must fight them. Let's go. I'm skipping neck.
Look at her two left leg. So you can be scared.
Ayaka.
Come on, carry your bag.
Ayaka. So you did this to me?
Eh? Me? Did what? Am I mad? I never did it. It was my ancestors that did it. So you can be scared. Eh? But whenever you are at home, you'll be talking to my man anyhow. Be careful.
Ayaka.
Be careful.
Is that your way of saying sorry?
Okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry. But let me apologize to you very well. Because I know how to apologize to people. I will give you 10,000. 10,000.
Hey, Ayaka. Ayaka, my person.
That is me.
Ayaka, my man.
Thank you.
Hi, you know you're my person now.
Yes, I know.
See, let me tell you. If you give me 10,000 naira, I swear I will never support my mother to fight your man again. Trust me now.
You swear? Yeah, hug me. Touch me very well.
Ayaka, my person. You want me to kiss you?
No, not yet.
Ayaka.
So, the last thing I want you to do now is to call him Achike #1, the best man in this village. Oh yeah.
Is that all?
That is all.
Okay. Achike 1, the best man in this village.
Thank you.
What again?
10,000. I will give it to you. I will give it to you. Take it. Take it. Take it. Yes, that is the 10,000. I pack it. In fact, take it and be happy with it. 10,000 waka and shaggy. Take it.
Hey! You're a foolish man. I've always known you to be a foolish man, the most useless man in this village. That's why you're like this. You can never change. Look at you, very useless. Hopeless man. Hey!
Then how are you? What do you look like? You went to the river every day. You pack all the mud in the river and you put it on your face. Look at you. You resemble our village masquerade. Mbonuzuru. Do you know Mbonuzuru? I will go and report you. People are looking for mud to build houses in this village. And all these things, look at your face. You pack everything now. Can you buy powder? Can you afford money to buy pancake or powder?
I can't.
You cannot.
Look at you. You don't even know. Achike is our slave. He goes out there, sell palm wine, and bring the money for us to buy pancake.
Look at you. You don't know him. Don't worry. Very soon, all of you will start bowing down for him. Anyway, I'm telling you. You don't know him in this village.
Foolish man.
I will tell all the villagers.
Please do tell. If you like.
Oh. Come and meet you for the sand. Look at. We are looking for mud to build houses. It is on your face. Nonsense. See, two left leg. Tolo. Nonsense. In fact, I'm coming for you. Imagine.
I am eating my money. If anybody is angry, let him go and make his own money.
Amuche, why are you doing this to me? How have I wronged you? Eh? Look at the number of meat you are eating alone. And I'm sitting here watching you. You can't even give me one. This is the proceed of my palm wine. I do tap in and my son sells. And you think all the money to yourself. You claim it is now your own. I'm not your wine now. Don't move, even if it's one. Just give me one.
I really give you. That palm wine is not my own. Amadi, why are you so wicked? Why are you gullible? You are a very wicked man. I spent my whole life savings to cure you from your ailment. Amadi, okay, Zuroli. Is it not enough for you? You want me to kill myself for you? Have you paid me back? Mba.
Am I not your husband?
Who that's not your husband. Come on, win a husband. You are talking of meat. Apele, you don't want me to enjoy my money. Abele! Abele Chukwu! Stop looking at something. What is it? What is it?
This one.
Run to Asanwa, that stupid useless girl's shop. Asanwa. And find out for me if Achike, the useless son of Amadi, is there. Come back here and tell me. Okay? Okay? Because I will deal with him today. Today will be another day of tears for him. If eventually he's there, just go.
Okay, Mama.
But
I'm coming.
Don't go there to make trouble.
Amadi, you're talking. You're looking for my trouble, Amadi. You're looking for my trouble. You, Amadi, you're looking for my trouble. Apele, come and eat now.
So you met with her?
That girl is very stupid. Who does she think she is?
Do I know? I'm a monyobo. She's been behaving anyhow ever since she came back to this village, simply because she came from the city. If I happen to be the governor of wherever she's coming back from, I will throw her away because she doesn't deserve to be there.
That girl. Can you imagine a stupid girl I want to help? I want to help a girl to put her in my music video. At least make her the video girl. And she's busy insulting herself.
Please forget that idiot. Forget her. You don't need her. Ini Edo. Hey, but Achike, you didn't sell your drink very well today.
Someone, I sold only 3 bottles. And if I get home now, that woman will start raining thunders on me. My father will not even say anything. Hey.
Listen, don't worry. I have a plan. I know I will make it. And I will do anything humanly possible to make sure you achieve your dream in life. But what will happen is, you have to go. Tomorrow, come back to this place. I will come up with an idea. An idea that will make you to be selling all your drinks.
Asanwa, you mean you have an idea and you don't want to tell me since?
No time is late, okay?
Oh, Ebakino. So you're here with this village crayfish may expire, no problem. Who's so bad, girl?
Asanwa.
Can you stop on Kitanachi? Or second?
Asanwa, see, I know they will come here looking for me.
Chike, please stop behaving like this. Stop behaving like this. Are you a child? Like in Ama Pale Pale, this is why that woman calls you vegetable. You haven't done anything wrong. Just go.
What is this? Hey.
Okay, do you want to stay here?
Let me go. Hey.
Just go.
Let me just. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
What is pursuing you? Get in that.
Is it your business? Is it your business?
It is my business because I
think I know blood. Is it your business? Then get out of my way, monkey.
I don't even know your legs. My own. Which one is the worst? You carry 2 left legs. Look at. Yeah? I don't know what is shaking. Yeah? Aquarium no you can blum. Imagine. I don't know what is pursuing you. I must know. Here. Osetigo.
Wait for me at Asama's shop, okay?
I should go to Asama's shop and wait for you. I will be taking something now while you come.
Should be taking your head.
My head?
You should be taking your head.
You are more than this. You are more than this. All these drinks, they are for us.
Go there and wait for me. We'll have practice in the evening.
It's unfair. I must take something because you are more than this. All these drinks, they are for us. I must take something.
I don't know what my son has done to you that made you hate him so much. I've told you to let this boy be, but you won't agree. Why should you be calling him stupid all the time?
Amadi, if I call your son stupid, what will you do? If I say that useless son of yours is mad, Amadi, what will you do? So you better shut your mouth, else you will not like what I will do to you. Now, shut up your mouth.
Mama, he's there.
Amadi, have you heard? Have you heard her? If I am talking, you have the guts to talk back at me. Later, he will come back with those bottles of palm wine that he did not sell any of them, and you want me to carry him at my back. Kopoliaka, you are looking for my trouble, Amadi. You are looking for my trouble, oh. Okay, no problem. Go inside. Keep this plate. The meat is still remaining.
Mama, where is that meat?
Look anywhere. Say I know it will still have anyone left. Look, I need to eat it and calm down. I'm going to put 2 more. This man, you are looking for my trouble. Get out. Shut up your mouth. Shut up.
I don't understand. Achike is looking for a girl he will shoot his video with. What about me? Is it that I'm not beautiful enough? We can want to say I didn't have it. It's alright. I will see that person you will get.
Sister?
What is it?
Do you have milk?
Yes, I have.
Okay. I want milk and sugar.
Ego, give me the money.
Sister. It was Mama that sent me to go and bring this milk. I want to drink tea.
You want to drink tea? Mama sent you to come and bring it. Is this how I bring it from other people's shop? Don't you know I buy these things with money? Do you want to ruin my shop? Unatili the shopper. Just look at my shop. Look at my shop. It's going down every day because of you and Mama. You people will come to this place, take this one without giving me money. How do you expect me to grow this business? Ne, I'm not giving you pekem. Go and collect money from Mama.
One good idea, sister. Hence, you will not give us from your shop. Give me money, let me go and buy elsewhere.
Kene, are you crazy? Give you money from where? No, give you money from where? Oh, my husband now brought shop back and Nele. Where do you expect me to get money from? Listen, Ujungwa, if Mama wants anything from my shop, go and collect money from her. That's not how you go to other people's shop, taking things without paying. Oh, Makanon
Sister Butu.
Butu. Go and collect money from Mama. And next time, if she don't give you money, don't come to this place. Stop taking things from this shop without giving me money. As you can see, I'm not in a good mood because Chegori Rebi Cherazo.
Sister, come on, milk and sugar. Upon that, Swagi Butu, sister.
Ne, Bugo, it's your common sugar. We take common ego. Maka common sugar, ejim common ego, we go tea and knowledge. Go and tell Mama to give you money. If you don't have money, don't come back to this place again. Go bend in a Zunoshi.
Come on.
You don't say about Puna chili the room shop.
Hey!
Every time. Mama wants sugar. Mama wants garlic. Mama Uta can't see a booty in my can you cook chicken at Masumadi? Don't come to this place without money again, no Juma. Maki Sawadana.
I gave you something to go and sell. You left what I asked you to go and sell and went to that stupid, useless, good for nothing girl. They call, what is her name? What is her name? Asanwa. Asanwa. You went to her place and wasted your whole day there. I am asking you. Why didn't you sell what I asked you to go and sell? Are you begging me?
It's okay.
Amadi, are you begging me? If I hear him wrong with Amadi, if I hear him from your house, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Why would you have to kill him? Why would I have to kill him? I said, what did you say?
Most of the sales I do it in her shop.
In her shop? Yeah. Now, how many did you sell on the road?
I sold
3. Hey!
Amuche, please.
You don't want to show your hand. You are selling to her shop. Oh, yeah, come and carry it.
Amuche.
Dikeh!
Amuche.
Papa!
Amuche.
What's keeping these Ogini boys now?
I don't know, but I strongly believe they will soon be here. Do you know what will happen? Let's start setting this chair. I'm sure they will come before we leave. Just bring this one closer.
Oh! I like this again. All my drinks will finish.
Amen, no, that is my prayer for you. Hey.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
Hello, pretty. Please, may I know you?
What is it? If you want to talk to me, put up your car and come down.
Wow, that's very nice. Hello, pretty. I'm Mr. Ben, the son of Agunko from this village. Please, may I know you?
I'm Jennifer, daughter of Amadi. May I go now?
Okay, let me take you home. I'll get to know your parents. Then I'll get to talk. I mean no harm.
Oga, I am not going home now. If you want to see my parents, you can go to Amadi's company. That's if you have a business.
Wow. Wow.
Is keeping these boys?
I don't know. Even Ayaka is not here yet. Do you know what will happen? Just stay here, look after my shop for me. Let me go and look for them.
No.
Oh God, no.
You stay. Let me go and look for them, okay? This is one thing I don't like about them.
Hello. Ah, please, do you have cookies?
Cookies? Cookies? Do you understand what is cookies?
Cookies? No. I don't know what is cookies. Are you here to remind us we are village people?
Oh, shut the fuck up, Mr. Panwine Seller.
Once again?
Please. I'm not talking to you. Please. Do you have cookies or should I go to another place?
No. If you take a good look at my shop, you see I have many things. Plenty things, but I get cookies. I don't understand. Eh? Just you will see another thing. I want you to patronize me.
Oh my gosh. This village is so local. Hi! Damn. I can't believe you don't know what is cookies. Anyway, maybe I should call my dad from Abuja to buy it for me. Okay? See you later.
Cookies what na Abuja?
What mandazo na konyeka? Akwa nwa nkuku do fe.
Cookies.
Cookies. I know cookies now. I na esi. Ima no hunne. So you just see here na the chaka kiss. Eligo mi eri nne. Odi e kwa no oge. Be eli mi ogba Angelo. Angela, okay, not on Angela Abuja.
If I say na to, elo do e na trailer. Okay, please, are you going to call these guys or let me go? Don't lie to me. Cookies and a in Abuja.
Eli bugomia and a CSC.
Ikagwa the gear need again.
Money down when you Ebola no fear. Up my mass in a poro. Ufobi, a chobi. Opana Joby.
Hey! Hey, we look on our child. Look on our way.
Hey, come back here. Come here. I said come here.
I was going to urinate.
Hey, I said come back here. If you don't want me to call my dad in Abuja and he will send Ami to deal with you.
Hey. Please. I don't want you to shock me again. Please, the one you did is enough. Hey, please.
Hey, what do you mean? I can see most people in this village are idiots. Hey, if not for one thing, I will make a call and the next day you see yourself in prison. Because I'm in this village, even a palm wine seller has the guts to ask me out.
Eh? No. Who is the palm wine seller? Eh? Let it not be my man, no. Ah!
Hey, who is your man? That villain nigga that sells palm wine?
Who is a nigga that sells palm wine? Look, let me tell you what you don't know. You see that guy you're looking at? The guy has enough thing in him. He has sense of economy. He's talented. If I thought he talked to you, just be happy. Thank your God. Thank your God. Not where I go to program. If you cooperate with me, look, very soon his video will be out. And he will shoot it with you if you cooperate with me. He will feature you. I will force him to put you there. You become a superstar.
I see.
Yes.
What kind of a music video can a village guy that sells palm wine do? Oh, what a lie.
What a lie? Oh, you think I'm lying? If you doubt me, follow me. Just come to someone. See things with your eyes. Come and see things with your eyes. Just follow me.
Very unwanly. Do you know that I don't even know what is wrong with me? Because they are with a car, they want every girl they see on the street and in the community to jump on them. But I showed him that I'm not that kind of a girl.
Good one. Namaka. So, who the hell does man think he is?
A man.
Oh, so because he has a car, all of us run out from this village, Abi?
Who is thinking?
Mama, it's one man that stopped for me on the road with a car because he has a car. He was just telling me, hi baby, hello baby, hop in, come in, where are you heading to? But I refused.
Did you say he was with a car?
Yes, Mama.
And you didn't want to talk with him?
Mama, so you wanted me to follow him because he has a car? I have to jump on him.
Jennifer, you are stupid. You are stupid, Ezokumnine. Don't you know that you have come of age? That this is the time you start expecting suitors. Hey, Jennifer, even one with a car? Eh?
But Mama, I don't like him.
You are mad, Jennifer. See, you better go out there and see if you can still see him. Jennifer, when will I stop suffering? You just have to get him to talk to you again. Let him talk to you the way he talked to you. Let him start afresh. Because I want Anilo with a car. A good car. And I hope his car is good. That kind of shiny car.
Mama, I don't know.
Jennifer, don't tell me now. You saw the car. I hope the car is good.
I don't know if his car is shiny or not. I've told him about myself. If he wants me, he knows where to find me, please.
Go outside. Don't keep your bag inside. Go outside and go and wait for you.
Mama, please, I'm hungry.
Jennifer!
Mama, because
no, the man has to come back. Who's Osi? Jennifer.
This is the best one joint I've ever seen. I never knew such a place as it was. Very, very good.
Thank you. We just started
One night, I'm not your son.
Thank you so much.
You need to give us more.
No, more is coming. Oh, my give Ajigoro. Ajigoro, more Ajigoro.
Okay.
That's my name.
You need to be having to complete you're right, but what will happen is very soon we start making the
Hey! You're on point.
Hey!
I didn't say anything bad. If Achike wants to make use of the dance, so since it has been abandoned.
Onye Hapolia, we did not abandon that. Was it not what we were dancing over there?
We are just playing, that's all. You girls should leave Achike and that somewhere alone. Let them make use of the dance.
I think I talk in Nako. Since we are no more interested, if a man and I will team up with Nneka and do it.
Okay, whatever you guys agree on, we will do. Let's move on. Hey, Joanne.
Very sweet. Oh, sister, I want to go to the shop without me. Don't do that. I beg you, just go tell me guys. Don't worry, Mama. I will come with you, sir. Sister, wait, let me help.
Why you? Do you know why? You will follow Ujun Koya.
Sister, take small.
Chill. Put it down.
Mama, if we have your yesterday, I will shasha.
Hey! Achikolo pepper soup and achikolo palm wine was the latest in town. Hey, I try canum. Yeah. When I know that this new idea you put brother, you surely make it.
Mama, this is Achike and Asanwa Enterprise.
You can say that again, my child. Anyway, I'm happy with this new idea. He sells his palm wine there as well his music career. He will not have issue with this mad woman. Mama, I jack and him. If you continue like this, Achike will make money. If you see the kind of cars that will come to my shop, Asanwa drink achikolo palm wine and eat achikolo pepper soup.
Asanwa and Achike Enterprises.
She's coming to the shop to help you. I'm behind you. Let me finish eating my meat.
Hey, Umaze, unamambo munga nunga neburu. Buy me just up here.
Mama, I'm going to the shop. I'm not watching.
Who buy me just?
Mama, later.
Ujungwa.
Mama, I came to see you people concerning the daughter I met yesterday evening on my way back to the village. So she asked me to come to the house. That shows me she's a good girl, so I'm happy about that.
Yes! All my daughters are good girls. All of them. You can go around the village and inquire. They will tell you what a good, beautiful, adorable daughters Amuche has. Eh? Nah. So, which one of them did you come to see?
She said her name is Jennifer.
Hey! Her name is Jennifer.
Amuche, please wait, please. No. Are you from this village?
Yes, sir, I'm from this village.
Who is your father?
Amadi! What is your problem?
I'm Dikeh. I'm supporting you.
Don't shut up! Shut up!
I am supporting you.
Who invited you in this club? Make sure Amadi! Who called you? Eh? See, let me tell you. This responsible man here came for something important, very, very useful. Nah, he said it's Jennifer. Yes. Jenny, mom. Come, somebody is here to see you. Asa. I'm over. Asam. He's here to see you.
I know him, Mama.
You've met him before?
Yes.
Ah, wonderful.
I told him to come.
Oh God. Oh God. Hey, please go inside. Go and get him cola. Water, anything. Search the house. Bring cola. Water, good one.
Okay, Mama.
Johnny. Hey. Johnny. My in-law. In-law. You're welcome.
Mama, here's the water for this.
Onya, how can you ask me this kind of question? This one, my son, God forbid that. It's not my son at all. You're just an errand boy I kept here to be doing things for me.
My dear, he is my son from my first wife.
Shut up, Amadi.
Sorry.
Must you talk? Okay, let's talk of what brought you to my house.
By next tomorrow, I think I will come with my parents to clear my vacation.
Very good. Thank you. Nukuaga. Thank you very much. You're not taking the water again?
No problem.
There's no problem. When you come next time, you drink 2 cups.
I'm back by next tomorrow.
I'm gonna get up and see him up. I'm gonna sit down. Oh God. I am sure I am sure that when you come next time, you all go. I will be staying in front. My Harry will stay at the back. What are you staring at?
Sorry.
What are you staring at? Look at me too. On white and oh God.
You're wicked. Oh, you know I'm a wicked girl. You
just carry the cover.
I told you I don't like you.
Jennifer, you are mad. You are very, very mad.
Mama, what did I do?
I asked you, Ngwabu Jennifer, to go and get a cola for our visitor. To bring the cola yourself. Both of you are connived. And send that stupid boy to go and bring water to our visitor.
I told you, that guy will not come back again.
Mama, nice.
I told you I don't like him. That was why I sent her chicken to bring the water. Besides, I personally told him to go with that cup.
That's why I said you are a fool. Fool! Now that he has gone, will he come back? Will he come back? Because it's like he has met Achike before. Because he left as soon as Achike left. And now that he has gone, I'm very, very sure that Achike will discourage him from coming back for you. As I'm talking to you, that man is well connected and very, very rich. Oh, Diego!
Mama, oh, Diego, you should from not God sent him, man. Mama, I made a mistake.
Mistake? You made a mistake, Jennifer? Let me tell you, if you don't bring that young man back to this house.
My brother, you mean that man is your father and you're being treated that way?
Yes, he's my father. You've seen it, girl. What do I do?
Anyway, such is life. From what I saw last time, you have been bliss in the music industry. So, and I will not want you to die in this village.
The truth of the matter is this: I don't have anybody to call. So, what do I do? I have to stick to what I know how to do best. Doing it in the village. Let me ask you. You want to marry my sister?
Yes, I would have loved to marry your sister. From what I saw in the house today, I think I cannot cope with such things I saw today. The mother talking to the father, I can't cope with that.
Thank God you saw everything. And I know you will take decisions. But I want you to look very well, use your brain, so you don't make mistakes.
Anyway, I have some connection in the music industry. I think I can connect you to one of the people.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Article pepper soup, happy. Bring the article pepper soup.
People should not be angry. Now I'm the only one serving.
Bring fast.
But I want nigga to do the
problem. There's no place.
There's no. I can't track and say I feel like okay.
Yeah,
If you don't have a ratio.
Yeah, I come to have to go to your here.
On effort, I'll go. I want to take a This is actually
drag. I'm sorry.
don't worry yourself, I'm going to Achikolo pepper soup. Achikolo music.
Don't worry, we are don't worry. What can say?
Don't worry, Achikolo pan wine is here already.
Give us drink.
welcome. You're welcome.
Let me see that.
Let me bring
out
get
me and wine.
Which of the article pepper soup?
Get me article pepper soup and article and wine.
Article and wine is ready.
Yeah.
No.
Ametabia.
Ujunwa. Put article and wine. Bring more.
Give us cup na yana anyiko.
I got something cup nwasa.
Hey.
Don't worry.
It's not cup nwasa. I'm making one on there. Go to
Because what time article pepper soup?
Okay. More one plate pepper soup for that.
Sister, there's no plate.
I'm not going to article and wine.
Can you help us and wash plates?
Even na forever.
Man,
Hey. Okay, don't worry, I'll wash the plate, eh?
No,
be fast, yo. Tell me article and wine, be fast.
Let's just wait. What are we going to get after
That's why I'm going to shop.
Look at them.
Where do you think you're going to?
Cross way back.
What is the meaning of this?
We have had everything. Yes. I am going in there.
What is your problem?
Just cross here now.
Everything.
Yes.
Why is it that you always look for trouble? What is your problem? So we should not go for our business, Okwaya?
This article does belongs to our village youth. So you can't be using it for the interest of one man.
Who is the youth? Are you one of the youth?
We are only going to Asawa shop to play for her.
Tell them.
Lies. We have heard about your plans to take our village down to the city with Achike. It will not work. Come on, Mepao.
Look at we.
Who even told you girls this?
No, don't even ask that question. We have got everything. Just pass here. All I know is that we are all going there together. Just see you see about
Now listen.
See you see about. We shall see.
Get out of my way.
Let's go.
What will you do?
Come on, tell us.
We shall see. Are you talking to them?
What
will you do now? Find me. Nonsense.
I will deal with you. Are you mad? Listen. I told you. Go and bring color yourself. What did you do? You said that chicken, that stupid boy that you know will spoil business for me. I will not listen. You should bring him back. But I'm not even there for. You should go send him back. I don't know what to do.
You know you're not the sister. Just rush out and see if you can see him.
So bad, let me go. I'm coming. and bring cola for that young man. I asked you to go inside and personally bring cola for him. But you will not listen to me. You rather you sent Achike. Now, you have seen it. He is very rich. Eh? Do you think he will come back here for you again? Eh?
I'm sorry. I didn't know it would be like this. I just wanted Achike to look stupid by serving him with that cup. I'm sorry.
And he did not look that stupid. And the man did not drink the water.
Eh?
Yes. Go. If that young man did not come back here for you again, hey, I will not find it easy with you. I will not take it lightly with you.
Mama, you need to caution that Achike. When we even open that his dating house, why do you stop pencilly to talk to the guy? You need to caution him.
Just leave Achike. Because if he does open his mouth, I will personally kill him. Achike knows what I will do.
Yes.
Any of you, I will kill him. Can't repeat it, I will kill him. And you, Jennifer. Hey, you go one.
Mama, sister will be very rich now. I'm telling you. God, I thank you. I thank you. That means they are buying. Mama is buying. I'm singing and I'm putting a line. Mama. As I'm talking to you, sister's shop is filled up with people. They've turned that place a music place. So, in fact, sister's shop is now the talk of the town.
Hey!
Shop with sister.
Okay. Thank you for everything. At least I want you to see that something that can actually come out of Igbo this family. Those who think my children will not make it, they will see it with their eyes. May God Almighty bless Asamoah and Achike family. They will continue to prosper from generation to generation in Jesus' name.
Amen. Prayer warrior. Mama, I'm telling you, sister really helped Achike. And at the same time helped herself. I see that again. I'm happy.
That guy is really talented. What he said could be true. How will I get him to talk to me?
Come back here!
What's your name?
How many times will I tell you my name? I said my name is Honorable Barrister, Prince, Doctor, Evangelist, Bishop, Archbishop, Prophet, Sunday Emeremunjo, aka Ayaka, one of this land. Please, I don't need any...
Shut up there! Don't let me get angry over what you did to me. You understand? My father wanted to send army to come and arrest you, if not that I pleaded with him.
What? That I did what? No, tell me, what have I done wrong? Eh? You made me to go wow. Now this is the result. You know about mommy. For what? Eh? By the way, why am I even meeting you, always meeting you on the road? Don't you have a home? Are you a monitoring spirit? No, tell me, is you know that?
Well, I live down the road.
Down the road?
Don't ask more. Now let me ask you. Do you really mean that that guy that sells palm wine is a musician?
Was I having water in my mouth when I said it? Eh? I told you to come to someone's shop and see something for yourself. You didn't come.
It's not that I'm rude. Just want to be sure that he's not like other village guys.
Okay. Now I understand. Don't worry, I will connect you to him so that he will feature you in the video.
Don't worry, I'll make you go wild.
Hey! Don't even say that again! Hey! No.
Lord help me come, save us from hatred. Ajobi, look down at us.
tell me you'll be leaving very early. Am I supposed to go to Onitsha because of this small thing?
Hassan, thank God you're here.
I saw that.